Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 0. To my right, I have a Sundowns supporter. My brother, what's your name and where are you from?
Pimelo from the West Rand.
Okay, Pimelo from the West Rand. What are your thoughts about today's game?
Today's game, it wasn't as good as it should have been. Chiefs controlled most of the ball during the game, but you know, Sundowns, game management, we scored the goal, we ended the match, we got the 3 points as per usual. Get 13 points, no, we're leading on the table, like it's nothing new.
Yeah. So I heard you mention, Uguti, it wasn't as good as it could have been.
Yeah.
What do you think that Sundowns could have done, Uguti, improve the game today?
Winning the second balls, ball retention, the guys were losing the ball too easy today. It was a walk in the park for Chiefs. In my opinion, Chiefs should have won that game, but you know, the better team won. Yeah.
So you feel like Chiefs should have won the game?
Yeah, the way they played much better than Sundowns today. And yeah, there's nothing I can say. I don't like Chiefs like that, but you know, Sundowns is my team, so I have to just be grateful for the 3 points.
Yeah. Okay, my brother, who was your man of the match today?
I'd say Marcelo. Marcelo is doing good for me. Yeah.
So is there anything that you'd like to tell Amasandawala that are watching?
Kabuyelo, Relata number 6.
Lelata number 6. Number 6 in it?
The title.
6 title.
In a row.
Yeah. So Selinki.
Yeah, Serinki.
No, the league is taken.
It's done.
It's done. We are not going to talk about the league, where the league is going. We have taken the league. Mamelodi Sundowns has taken the league. We are breaking records.
Kabuyelo.
PSL, I'm going to be controversial now. PSL must stop playing these games at night because our people can't come here and play at night. We must come during the day so that we can come in numbers. You know what? They must stop undermining Mamelodi Sundowns. We are in numbers. We are here to come and occupy. No, who's this?
Yo, Pimelo, thank you very much, my brother.